Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can make a Yandex Mail. So by the end of this video you're going to understand what Yandex is, and we're going to create a Yandex Mail and you're going to create it with me. So here is an interface for you to be able to log in. Let's press Create ID and we're going to type our phone number. Once we've typed our phone number, it's going to press. Next is going to ask us for a little text code that you're going to get on your phone. Once that text is through, all you need to do is type it in as soon as it comes through, and it might take a couple of seconds. It's going to automatically put it through. Then all you need to do is type in your name and then type in your last name. Press next. Press in I don't want to receive ads and press accept. You're going to have to create a little password, so create a password whichever you deem is necessary. And press the register button. So that is your login and that is your password. Press the register once more. Never save password. And here is the interface for Yandex Mail. It's going to prepare your mails, prepare your inboxes, and so on and so forth. And that is a very easy way and a step to create Yandex Mail. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.